Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Ulayya. I'm 14 years old and I'm from SMK Negeri 1 Cot Girek. Okay, so I sit here today for delivering my short speech with the title is From Page to Paradise, the Power of Reading in Islam and Life. Let me begin with the first word that changed the world forever. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created. Al-Alaq, the first ayah. These were the very first words revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Not pray, not fight, not even worship, but read. This is not a coincidence. It is a message to the world that the foundation of Islam is knowledge. And the first step to knowledge is reading. When Allah chose to communicate with humanity through the Quran, He didn't begin it with rules or rituals, but He began it with Iqra, to come and to read. Why? Because reading opens the heart, reading awakens the mind, and reading builds a better soul and society. Reading is not just about collecting facts, it's about building character. It gives us clarity in a world full of noise. It gives us direction when we feel lost. And it gives us reflection when life moves too fast. My dear friends, books may not call out to you, but if you open them, they will speak. And if you listen, they will transform you. Books is the quietest of friends, the most constant of companions, and the wisest of teachers. So, let us hold tight to them, for within their page lies the path to paradise. Okay, so I think stop here my speech today. I'm sorry for my mistake, and may Allah bless us all with the love of reading and the light of knowledge. Thank you for listening. Thank you, bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.